Okay, in the normal talk graphics tradition, I'm not going to do it for you. What I'm going to try and do is show how I do it. And the first thing you need to do is to recreate this shape. Basically, it's, if you look around here, it's a four-cornered star, and externally it's the same four-cornered star, but it's got a rounded edge. Okay, so let's produce that first. And I'm going to hold down Control and just drag that down like that. Never like working with stars. Flip that so it's a bit more what we want. Go back into the shape of it. So holding down the Control key, I can start to drag that down, and that starts to get a star shape. Very difficult to get exact star shape in Xara. I don't know what that should be. Probably more to do with the shape than anything else. But if I just move that around, you can see that that's about the shape you want. Okay, so you've got one shape that matches that inner shape, that green shape. I'm going to now Control clone that, and I'll change that colour to yellow. Control Shift B just to put it at the back of it, and go back to the star tool, and sorry, go back to the contour tool, and just slide that out like that of it. If I can remember rightly, you can make that's correct. By selecting that, you can make it a rounded bevel, and just slice it out a bit further. So you've got that shape there. Just go back to the bevel tool. Just leave that as it is, and that tool is fine. So I can go Control clone that, just so you know it's clone, it's going to be red. Click that other tool, arrange, combine shapes, subtract shapes. I've now got a shape like that. In fact, I can actually delete that shape there. And I've now got a very similar shape to the shape you've got there. The next thing is you have these cutouts going round the rounded star. So what I'm going to do is just zoom in. A lot of the time I like to work in wireframe view. I want to select the shape of the tool. Create a line. So let me just make sure. Now I want this a line to be that way of it. Okay. And it's easy. A lot of the times it's easier to use wireframe view than anything else. Windows. I want to snap the grid. Go like that. Control clone. Just move that line up there. I could actually make that line a shape, but what I won't. But this time I'll just make the two. Let's say two lines are selected, and what I'll do is just drag select that and close that. And say fill that with green. If I go back there, take away the line colour, you can see that I've got a shape there. which I can actually cut out that shape on. I'd like to make that a bit wider. Let's go back to wireframe. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to edit, copy that shape. I'm going to go Control, Shift, and click the two shapes. Arrange, combine shapes, track shapes. So put that back up to there. So I've got that shape there now. I'm going to go Control, Shift, V to post that shape back in. And because there are 5 points on the star, 5 divided by 360 is 72. So I'm going to go into this rotate option here and go 72. So I've now got that 72. Move that over to here. Zoom in. Go back again to wireframe. It's far easier when you're messing around like that. Go Control copy, so I've got that copied again. Control Shift to get the second one again, 2 objects. Control 2 to remove them. Zoom. Okay, so you've got those 2 shapes. Go Control Shift V. I'm going to rotate that 72 degrees. And this time it's going to cut down here. Zoom back in. Go to the wireframe. I'm using the Alt key. I can just click that up a bit. The Alt and the up arrow. Arrange, Control 2 to remove that. Then Control Shift V. I'll rotate that 72, so this time I'm going to rotate that 144. Bring it down here. Yep. Oops. There must be a bay just in the background. I'm just going to move this down to here. Control copy. Shift, select the star underneath, arrange, combine shapes, subtract shapes. Control Shift V. Then rotate it 72 degrees. And it'll be up there this time. Go zoom there. Zoom a bit further, and then you can see it needs to go across a bit. You can use the Alt arrow key just to move it around your touch. With the Shift key pressed, I've got 2 objects, arrange, combine shapes, subtract shapes. Now go up to 100%. You can now see I've got this star, which is very similar to that star. I can then go arrange, there's one group, arrange, ungroup. So I can now go arrange, break shapes, and select that shape there. I can decide I'm going to colour that, the eyedrop of that shape, colour those 2 yellow, and I'm going to cut Control Shift, select those 2, and go and select that red, and I can go and Control Group, and hang on. You can now see that you've reproduced that shape into a vector shape, which is quite handy. I could go on a bit. You could say create that shape into a 3D shape. You didn't want any rounded, you just want it straight. You could move it around like that. You could increase or decrease the bevel. So you've got that shape. Unfortunately, Xara Designer and Xara Designer don't make a good way of creating proper 3D objects. You're better off using Xara 3D 7 to create that, but you can always import those into that. Anyway, I hope that helped.